John Long from Broom Boats and welcome aboard our brand new 35 Coupe. This particular model features a 50 horsepower Narni diesel engine. It has a bow thruster, various engine displays, a Raymarine bi-data which covers your speed and your depth, has a rudder indicator, radio with USB interface, television and Eberspacher heating system. The boat will sleep 4 people over 2 cabins. We have a forward double cabin. Up in the saloon here, the table drops with infills to sleep a further 2 people. Boarding the boat is fantastic. Access is walk-on via the stern, straight through into the saloon area here. Everything is on one level, which makes it very easy to move around the boat. There are a few steps down to the galley and the forward accommodation area, but due to the width of the steps and the size, it's really no problem at all. The 35 Coupe is generally an all-round fantastic boat, really. It's light in here, it's spacious, the lines are clean, it's modern. You can just walk on through the stern, straight into the saloon area here. The switches for your batteries are down here. You can switch the batteries on and then just go. So it's a very usable boat. Prices on this one start at $199 for this model. But we can spec the boat to suit your specific needs. We can change the colour of the hull, the upholstery, the type of wood. So really the boat is tailored around you and what you want. We are taking this boat to the London Boat Show, which runs from the 10th to the 14th of January next year. We're on stand LE032. We'll be there for the whole show. Feel free to come and see us. We'd be happy to show you around the boat. If not, you can give us a call before on 01603 711 811, or you can look online at broomboats.com and spec your boat from there. Feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Have a good Christmas and we'll see you in the new year. Thank you. Bye bye.